Sandrock Full Hydraulic Core Drilling Rig is applied for exploration and prospecting of geology, coal, metallurgy, and for other fields. With simple structure, reasonable layout, convenient operation, and easy to repair and maintenance. The hydraulic system has good performance and high reliability. Sandrock core drilling rigs have meet the requirements of various drilling technology. The speed range can be able to adapt to the optimal drilling regulations. With complete supporting instruments, various instruments sensitive, durable, and accurate indication. Has warmly welcomed for various customers.